Do you know much about these tiny grains called millets? They're packed with goodness. They're a very good source of vitamins and minerals. Consuming millets on a daily basis can even help you reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Today I'm going to show you this yummy Proso millet and pineapple ghee roast recipe. To start with, I'm going to soak 1 cup of Proso millet in cold water and set it aside for at least a couple of hours. It's better to soak millets overnight if it is possible. Once the millets are nicely soaked, drain the water out and put that in a pressure cooker and add 2 cups of water and cook it very well. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can cook in a normal saucepan, but it might take longer. I have added about half teaspoon of salt while cooking the millet. While the millet is getting cooked, we can prepare our other ingredients for the recipe. For that, I have added 2 tablespoons of clarified butter into a thick bottom pan, and I am adding crushed cardamom into that. Then I am also adding cashews and raisins into it and fry it until it is golden brown. I am also adding 1 slit green chili into this. This is completely optional. Now I am going to add sliced onions into this and fry it until it is translucent. While the onions are getting cooked, I am also adding a little bit of salt into this so that the onions get cooked easily. Now I am going to add thin slices of pineapple into this. Along with that, I am also going to add grated coconut. Give it a nice mix and combine all the ingredients very well. Once the pineapple and coconut is well combined and the water is starting to get evaporated, we can add our cooked millet into this. While cooking the millet, make sure you're not overcooking the millet. It is easy to check if you're cooking in a saucepan, but if you're using a pressure cooker, just 1 whistle is enough for the millet to get cooked. Once the millet is added to the frying pan, turn the heat to high and quickly stir fry it. Once it is well combined, you can sprinkle some fresh herbs such as parsley, mint or coriander leaves. Now our millet ghee roast is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please try it yourself and let me know your feedback. Also, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.